Ridge Mountains, the closest mountains to Florida. I can get into this, man. Like, this is a vibe. It's beautiful, it's green, just like the rest of Georgia, but there's a lot of people up here, and the reason why is that it's about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than Atlanta. It doesn't get as hot and juicy up here, nearly 1,800 feet above sea level. I am here for it. It's lovely, and I'm excited to meet my newest clients, Vinny and Laura. I've been told they moved to Florida a while ago. Blue Ridge Mountains. Look how cute you guys are.
Oh, I couldn't wait.
Oh my gosh. You guys are amazing.
Oh, you're amazing.
Thank you.
Great.
Do we need some caffeine?
Absolutely.
And now they're looking for a mountainy retreat to escape the heat and enjoy a nice hot coffee. Well, this is fun, Blue Ridge Mountains. Great to be back. You guys are clearly not from Georgia.
No.
I was born in Brooklyn, New York.
I was about to
Brooklyn,
say,
New York.
had to be in
Yeah.
the Northeast somewhere.
Yeah.
Both of you? Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
amazing.
we moved to Florida about
34 years ago on Marco Island.
So what brought me here? What sort of windfall did we come into?
It was a scratch off.
This is unique because I'm not sure if anybody's ever shown you anything like this, but
No.
I
This
don't
is it.
really let him show it. It's like,
Any of your numbers to the winning number, win prize shown for that number.
Oh my gosh, you're hilarious right
lucky
now.
we got to spend it the way she looked. You thought she was going to have a heart attack and die.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
How
it-
exciting. And we're gonna spend it on, I'm assuming, a second home here, right?
Yes.
yes, a vacation
Love this.
home.
What's the second home gonna look like? What
He
We
has
do
an
disagree
issue.
on a couple things.
okay, I love
We do
this.
disagree on a couple things.
Okay, I want to hear your version, then I'll
go
hear
ahead.
your version.
I would like to have a flatter property.
Okay.
You don't have to wear a bungee at all times to be up in the mountain where you can't lean over, especially if you have 2 glasses of wine because you're gonna fall to your death.
Right. Okay,
And
so
he
you
would like.
I want to be up high with
Yeah.
a view of
Yeah.
paradise.
Yes. But as far as the house, how do we want it
We
to?
would love it to be cabiny, lots of wood,
Fireplaces.
definitely fireplace.
Minimum
At
3
least
bedrooms.
3.
3 bathrooms.
How much money are you giving me?
Right here. 1.2. 1.2.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Do I have any wiggle?
We'll give you some wiggle room.
Okay.
Anything else? Well,
Three-
I would love it to be furnished.
Okay.
But we don't have to, you know.
Oh, you don't want to do anything.
But
Right.
she will change half the house regardless because that's who she is.
Cheers to that. Yeah. I thought I did a beautiful job with Trout Ridge because this has the perfect balance of beautiful decks, but in the front yard, there's so much flat land that the kids can enjoy. They can put a swing set up there. I mean, look at this property, you guys. Isn't this magnificent?
Beautiful.
Oh,
This is amazing.
wow.
Trout Ridge has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It is over 3,300 square feet, just shy of 2 acres, and just shy of $1.2 million.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Shall we?
It's good.
All
yeah.
right. Yep.
So
It
Can't
is,
wait.
it
go.
is move-in ready. This outdoor
Flowers.
fireplace right here is where you'll be spending
Wow.
so much time. Isn't this amazing?
That is amazing.
Real wood. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Come on in, my darlings.
Oh my
Beautiful.
goodness.
It is. The detail is amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's absolutely
So far,
beautiful.
so good.
far.
All
Let's
right.
get into the
Like-
kitchen. All right, everything comes with the house. So
Oh, great.
the turnkey vibe is absolutely here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dishes. Wow. This is great. And this
Can't
all
use more
comes
than
with
this.
it.
Yeah.
This is enough.
The primary bedroom is on the first floor, and it's deliciously cozy, with access to the front porch. And of course, there's an ensuite.
Bathroom's nice.
Yeah.
There's an even bigger bedroom up here, perfect for the grandkids to bunk in together. And we haven't even got to the basement yet. Another great space. What I love about this space, it's
Oh.
completely extra.
Yeah,
This
this
is
is a great
beautiful.
entertaining space. This is
Oh, yeah.
This is great.
I really didn't expect this to be down here.
The entertainment spaces continue outside, and they're epic. The outdoor decks, fire pits, and even some treacherous stairs for Vinny and his BYO bungee cord. I mean, look at this, you guys.
beautiful.
You guys didn't ask for a river moment.
No, I did not.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm
Everything
I'm
about
so
the
impressed.
home is beautiful.
Yeah.
Just the
So-
maintenance is the only thing that, was my big One of my big things.
It is a
and
big maintenance
Yeah.
Lot to
moment.
think about.
But obviously, there's maintenance anywhere in the mountains
True.
because we have all of this.
Yeah.
Right.
So here's what I'm going to do for you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm going to take you up mid-mountain.
We'll
All
ease
right.
her into the mountain.
We'll ease it. We'll ease it.
I can't do
Ease it. Okay, goodbye. Tallulah Trail, still under budget, about $25,000 under. Has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, just shy of 2,800 square feet. It's on 2 acres. And the price is still under budget.
Is it?
1,175.
All right.
great.
Good
Shall we
job.
do it?
Good job.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So good, I'm excited for you guys to see this. Here we go, my darlings. Come on in.
Oh my.
Wow.
And oh, look at the light. David, what are you doing to me? These
No, what are you
houses are
doing to me?
beautiful. Well, look
I
at the
know,
windows.
isn't it amazing?
Oh wow, look at the countertops.
It's a beautiful quartzite, I believe.
Very
This is
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah, and expensive. What I love about this house is that we're seeing different textures, we're seeing different colors of wood, we're seeing tile, stone, with a brick pattern, which is stone. So it's breaking up some of the wood.
Oh, absolutely. Just
it's
gorgeous.
It's beautiful. Want to see the main bedroom?
Yes, I can't
Okay.
wait. I can't wait.
This is delicious and showy.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, this is huge.
Huge. The ensuite bathroom is surprisingly large, too.
Oh, how pretty.
Look.
We could both fit here.
Yeah.
In fact, even though this house is smaller than Trout Ridge, it feels bigger because of the clever use of space. Look how large the sofa is.
It looks
most of it anyway.
very comfy.
TV's right there.
Oh, yeah. And it's not so high, which is great.
Yeah, and we have a
Wow.
fireplace.
And the
fireplace.
fireplace. Wow.
I'm falling in love.
I love the tall ceilings.
We have a lot to see. Upstairs we go, shall we? All the bedrooms are perfect for vacation guests.
Oh, this is a nice size.
Good
Very nice,
size, right?
Very nice.
And I really love the furniture.
Yeah. So we have a shared bathroom, but I want to show you this room. It's
Okay.
adorbs.
Go ahead on.
I love this room so much.
No.
Oh, isn't it fun?
That's fantastic.
Being in this room makes you feel like a kid again. So cute. I want to stay up there.
Me too. That's
that-
like my dream.
Everything here is like a dream. Just like Trout Ridge, this house is spread over 3 floors for the max amount of space for vacay fun.
Oh, my favorite thing. Is that a bar?
And for the full treehouse effect, a magnificent outdoor fireplace with soaring wraparound decks that overlook the ultimate fire pit.
Oh, a fire pit.
Isn't this beautiful, you guys?
Beautiful. And look at the view of the house.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Pretty.
You guys like where I'm going?
Yes.
I'm gonna take you a little bit above budget tomorrow.
Okay.
You know what? Can't hurt to look. Hornbeam Hills is for Vinny. It is at the top of the mountain, and these views are spectacular. This is a bungee courthouse for sure. Hornbeam Hill has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
Oh.
Wow.
Just shy of 3,250 square feet. Sits on just a little over an acre. It's our smallest property, but it's got our biggest price tag at $1.55 million.
Oh.
That's a little more than a little wiggle room.
I said waddle.
Waddle.
I
Okay,
told you I waddle.
You really
I
waddle
went-
on this
Oh.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we're in trouble.
So you're in
Oh,
trouble.
boy.
It's beautiful. Like, you want $2 million. Let's spend all of it. Good stuff.
We could do that, right, hon?
Anything you want, honey.
Come on in, cutie pies.
Wow.
Oh, my.
This is nice. This is
You
Amazing.
are just a bad, bad boy.
I know.
You are bad. You are bad.
It's like
You're
on
in
top of the treehouse.
trees. Look
Oh.
at this. Wow. Cannot wait to say, look at this countertop.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is like a modern cabin.
Yes.
And I love it.
Good.
And it's got enough wood and brick and everything going on, the floors, to make it feel cabiny.
Yeah.
And it's very clean and
Beautiful.
fine
And they have
lines.
some
Everything is
beautiful stuff
beautiful.
in here. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that bed. I don't even have to
No,
to get in
no,
it.
you
This
don't.
is beautiful.
I like the end of it.
Look at the
ceiling.
view. I feel like I'm in the tree.
It's amazing. The bathroom is just as delicious.
Oh my
Okay, let's
goodness.
take a
Get
look.
all up in it.
Oh my God, Vin.
Wow.
This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the tub.
Builder did a beautiful job on this house.
Isn't it fun?
It
Really
is
is.
so
Really
fun.
is.
That's
and
a
look
high
at that
shower.
vanity. I mean, he could fit all of his lotions and potions.
Products
I can
for
stay here for a
days.
while.
Come on, queen. Upstairs on the top floor, there's a gorgeous nook that feels nice, cozy, and private. But the place to be is right here.
Oh my God! Now talk about a tree house.
Yeah.
And there's a fireplace.
That's our
Another
fireplace.
one.
TV. Very serene.
It is, right?
Very chill, calm.
The lower level is completely tricked out for entertaining friends and family.
Wow, and everything stays. This pool
Of
table
course.
is here.
The space is big.
Space is huge,
Space
but
is
we're just
very, very big.
looking at the living space.
Right.
There are bedrooms.
That's right, 'cause we're missing
down
bedrooms.
here. So we
Okay.
have bedrooms over here.
Wow.
Each bedroom has a king-size bed at the moment, but the biggest bedroom could easily be filled with bunk beds for the super busy holidays. And of course, there's another outdoor seating area. It looks a little terrifying from here, doesn't it?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
it does.
It's not.
Okay.
I like that view up there, but there's something about the view here that just really envelops
It's open.
you.
You're one with the nature.
But this is where the bungees come in.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah,
I
you
don't have to
can
go
work
hiking.
your
I don't have to
glutes.
find a trail. I can go hiking right here.
I love it.
Oh, good.
You gave us 3 hard choices.
Good. All right, shall we bungee down?
Yes, let's go.
Let's do that.
You first, hon.
Are you guys excited for this?
Very
A
excited.
little jelly.
Ah.
I need a mountain house.
This is great.
After you,
Thank
my
you.
love.
Thank you, David.
Well, we picked
We did pick.
Trout Ridge.
I love that house. Like beyond beautiful. You know,
This is beautiful. I feel like I'm surrounded by trees like I'm in a tree house. So this was great. Dan,
Yeah.
we're making s'mores. We have 4
Beautiful.
fireplaces, and we have one outside. I'm gonna light that fireplace.
Can't wait till the winter time because it's too far away. It's still summer.
Right.
So.
I do not care that it's warm out. I'm gonna eat roasted marshmallows and s'mores every night just because I can.
Be a little hard for the kids to get up here with the grandkids and school, and so we're gonna get them up here. We got a trip planned for everybody to come out in October, but we're gonna enjoy the place while we can and
We
enjoy
are.
our alone time.
Love
Love
you.
you.